Welcome to Municipal Tractor University. This online platform is a free, one-stop shop resource for trackless MT operators, service providers, and dealers. This tutorial will walk you through using the portal so that you can get the most out of MTU. This is the MTU homepage. This page features a search bar and several filter icons. Clicking any of the icons will bring you into the portal and show you all related files. Additionally, using the search bar will bring up all documents relative to your query. Once in the MTU database, there are a few different ways to navigate. You can use the search bar in the top right corner of the screen. Beneath the search bar are a number of common search terms. You can also click on those tags to find relevant results. On the left side of the screen, there are a number of folders and albums. You can use those folders and albums to narrow down your selection of files. When you click on a document, you'll be given the option to either open the document or download the document. Clicking the download icon will automatically download the document to your computer. Clicking the Open button will open the document in a new tab within your browser. If you want to return to the home page, click on the MTU logo in the top left corner of the screen. If you can't find what you're looking for on MTU, you can click on the link on the bottom of the home page. This link will bring you to the Trackless Vehicles website where you can submit an inquiry directly to the team.